Welcome to English with Rani. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Our today's topic is articles. Articles is very important in order to learn English language. Guys, आर्टिकल्स क्लास सेकेंड और थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड से स्टार्ट होके क्लास 10th 12th ग्रेजुएशन इवन इफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस में भी आपको इसके क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिलते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो. आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि आर्टिकल्स का यूजेज जनरल लाइफ में किस तरीके से होता है. सो गाइज, द वर्ड ए और एन एंड द are called articles. Generally, we have two kinds of articles, indefinite articles and definite article. A and N are called indefinite articles because they are used for no specific person or for not a particular thing. And the article the is called the definite article क्योंकि वो किसी particular person या particular specific things के लिए वो use होता है. Let's see first the article A and N, the usage of indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are used to denote a thing which is singular. For example, I have a car. Okay. It is also used to denote a membership of a group. For example, I am a teacher. It is used for a singular countable noun which denotes the whole class or species. जैसे a student should be disciplined, right? And both the articles can be used in the same way. There is only one difference. Like one difference is there regarding the usage of A and M. Guys, for the choice of A and M, we need to remember, we all knows that we have 5 articles. 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. We have 5 vowels. तो जो N है आपका N is used before a singular countable noun which have a vowel sound. We have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Let's see the sound also. A or A. The sound of E, A. Enormous, elephant. E, the sound of I is E, important, intelligent. The sound of O is O, octopus, omnipotent. The original sound of U is A, umbrella. So, जिन words की sound vowel sound आएगी उनसे before और वो singular countable noun होंगे उनसे before we need to put an. For example, an ant, an elephant, right? इसमें important बात जो आपको ध्यान देनी है guys. See, there are some words like if MBA student, what we need to put? मैंने आपको बताया an is used before singular countable nouns which have a vowel sound, and A is used before a singular countable noun but have a consonant sound. जिस words में consonant sound होंगी वहाँ A और जिनकी vowel sound है वहाँ N. अब the word is MBA student. अब देखने में N क्या है? Consonant. But what is the sound? M. कैसे sound आ रही है इसकी? Vowel sound आ रही है. So an MBA student, right? एक होता है honest. Honest. Here it starts with H, but H is silent. Honest. O is a vowel, so an honest man, right? Like एक को हम लिखते हैं, right? An unusual problem, एंड सो ऑन। तो इन चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि वेयर वी नीड टू पुट एन एंड वेयर वी नीड टू पुट ए। ओके, सो और समवेयर यू से कुछ वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं लाइक यूनिवर्स, राइट। अब यू इज अ वॉवल, लेकिन यू यहाँ पे यू की साउंड यू आ रही है और मैंने आपको बताया कि यू की साउंड होनी चाहिए अ। अगर ये if it is an umbrella, the proper sound an umbrella, but if universe, the universe, the किस लिए? क्योंकि ये universal things है ये, right? So अगर u की साउंड अ है तो ही हम वहां वोवल साउंड आएगी, तो ही हम एन लगाएंगे, अदरवाइज तब अदर आर्टिकल, right guys? Now the usage of the definite article the. The definite article the is used before a noun which is already referred. Like there was a boy. The boy was very honest. Because we are talking about the same particular boy. The is used. It is also used before ordinal numbers. The first, the second, the third. Before the names of rivers, oceans, group of islands, deserts, bays, etc. The Gangas, the Bay of Bengal, right? Before the names of trains, planes, or we can say airways, the Rajdhani Express, the Jet Airways. Before the names of newspapers, magazines and holy books, the Times of India, the Outlook Express, the Bible. Before the names of nouns which represents the whole class. For example, the lion is the king of forest. The fox is a cunning animal. Before an adjective of quality, like the braves are always on it. Before the names of musical instruments, the tabla, the harmonica, etc. So guys, ये थे usage of articles a and the. And now थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं रिगार्डिंग omissions of articles, because omission of article कि कहाँ हमको article यूज नहीं करना है, that is also equally important. So articles are not used before uncountable nouns, like milk is very healthy diet, okay, and before plural nouns when they do not refer to any particular person or any particular class. For example, men should respect women. Before proper nouns such as name of persons, name of country, cities, lakes, etc. Like India is my country, Rani is my name, etc. Before the relations, mother, father, uncle, aunt, and so on. For example, mother is cooking food in the kitchen. Before the meals of the day, while they are not relating any, particularly, like I take breakfast at 10 in the morning and lunch at 2 o'clock. Before certain buildings like school, church, court, offices, while they are visited for primary usage. जब रेगुलरली हम ये वाली जगह जब जाते हैं तो उनसे पहले भी आर्टिकल यूज नहीं होगा. लाइक आई गो टू स्कूल रेगुलरली, he goes to court every day. No article is used. Before words that shows a unique post or position. For example, they appointed me chairman of the committee. Before the languages, like we are studying English, right guys? So these are certain rules where omissions are to be omitted. And now I hope that articles is very much clear to you. फिर भी गाइस अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट होता है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए. आई विल सॉर्ट आउट योर क्वेरीज. टिल देन अभी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ कल फिर हाजिर होंगे. टिल देन टेक केयर. थैंक यू.